Hello and welcome to the new Power BI video tutorial. And in this video tutorial, I want to show you how you can add the vertical grid lines to your visualization. Sometimes when you are creating a table like this, for the proper formatting as per your needs or the organization needs, you want to apply the vertical grid lines like this, right? So if you are wondering how you can do that, then the option is quite easy. You can come over here in the format visuals, and over here you can look at the grid. Over here the grid lines, first thing first, you need to enable it, but right now it's not visible properly. So what you can do is you can come over here and change the color a little bit, as make sure you edit as much dark as you want, right? This much is I think is fine, where it can show the clear demarcation of the lines or in which field you are in, which becomes sometimes for the financial reporting, or let's say your organization needs, you have a proper reporting requirement where you need to have grid lines like this. You can very easily enable it. With that, you can format your table as per your needs. Also, you have the option of changing the width to, let's say, a little bit on the higher side, so that it is also very clearly visible. Now leaving it to you that how much width you want, but you have the option to enable it from here. So I hope this will help you whenever you are formatting your table visual. Along with this, I want to give you a very quick information about all of my Power BI videos, which I keep it in a Google Sheet like this, which is the Power BI video tutorials, where I have the 300 plus videos, and all of that you can access using the link which I have given in the description. With that, you can come over here, search any of the video as per your need. It has dashboard, projects, decks, and all of that. Link is present on the right hand side, and then you can jump onto that easily. As you can see, these users are currently accessing it. Also, if you are beginner and you are following it along with me, then you may need a data set. So the data set link is given in the description. It will take you to my Google group, where you need to join the group, and as soon as you join, you get this link to come over here in this folder, and in this folder you find the data sets sheet, which is nothing but this one, and then you have the sample superstore data set. All right, with that information, thank you so much, and I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.